Before going to any course or class or institution or whatever you do, as a human being of 21st century, you must have a goal. And today, what we are teaching here, it is basically to make your future and the future of your country. If you are not sure about the aim, then I think there is no use of coming to the classroom or studying something. This course, it is a special paper on materials or physics of materials or material physics. When I look into it and we study physics, chemistry, biology and various disciplines of science, and we are not thinking of taking these to society, then I think there is no use of these disciplines to be studied. And throughout the human history, people educate people in order to take the science to society. Now if you look from the very early ages, this was probably the start of when human beings started to think. For these education in the start is we think that education started with the parents, with the mother, with the father, and the only education available at the early ages was that they told their kids, their coming generation, about their experiences. For example, don't go close to the deep water. This was education, because if every human being himself or herself going to check the depth of water, most of them will die. But when somebody has experience and they share their observation, their experience with you, they are basically educating you to live a comfortable and safe life. So this means that the basic fundamental aim of education is still the same. This is for your life, for the healthy environment around you, for your foods, for your medicine, and for various human fundamental needs. And for this purpose, in the start, a person who was more experienced became a teacher. For example, if a person has gone to Islamabad or London, and tomorrow you are going to Islamabad or London and you see him, he or she will tell you what bus to catch, what aeroplane to catch, how much time will it take, and various things are told to you in order to make your journey productive and easier. That is education. So the fundamental aim of education is still the same. When such wise people became known in societies, people used to send their kids to them and they became teachers. So if you look into the back history of human education, people don't say that this person was Oxfordian because there was no Oxford there. People don't say that this person is Echisonian or Islamian, but people say he was a student of this person. Plato was a student of Socrates, right? So this means that the education was only limited to specific people who were a little bit wiser than the other. What does this mean? There is a common saying in your society that people say the level of education came down because of the society, and teacher is a part of the society, and because of that problem became evident and the teacher couldn't teach properly. The teacher couldn't regain the standard we are having from our generations, previous generation. But this is completely wrong. Teacher must be higher than the society. Teacher must be higher than the society. Whatever happening in the society, teacher must not throw himself or herself into the hands of the society, that he or she also start. That if the society is criminal, and the teacher also become criminal and teach crime to the students? No, teacher should be much higher than the society, and it is the duty and responsibility of the teacher to pull the society upward, and that has improved. If you look into the past, the Greek philosopher, the prophets of various religions, the whole society was doing something else, and those prophets came, these philosophers came, great teachers came, and they took the society upward and told them that you are wrong. But if the teacher said, I am a part of this society and I can't do anything without society, then he or she doesn't deserve to be a teacher. Teacher must be a mind maker. Teacher should make minds and maybe the teacher will have some other very excellent jobs. Why stick to the teaching? If you can't do it, if you can't make minds, think about it. You are also becoming teachers tomorrow, and you must have that capability to pull your society upwards, not to dissolve yourself in the society, and that will bring change in your society.